Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by adding the compressor to the track and picking a model that suits the source. VCA for control, FET for punch. Once loaded, lower the threshold until you see steady gain reduction, using a 3:1 ratio as a baseline so compression is audible but musical. Make sure to apply makeup gain so perceived loudness stays consistent. This prevents EQ or level chasing later. Also check the channel's input routing and reset any previous automation, because those affect what you hear immediately. You now sculpt how the compressor reacts by setting attack and release. Fast attack tames transients, slower attack preserves punch. Try 0. 5 to 10 ms for percussive material, longer for vocals. Once done, soften the knee to make compression gradual or harden it for character. Make sure to enable the detector HP at around 100 Hz if low end is triggering too much, and use the gain reduction meter as your feedback. If you need rhythmic ducking or de-essing, route a sidechain input. It changes the how and why. You finish by listening in context, toggle bypass, then automate attack, release, or threshold across sections so dynamics sit musically in the mix. Make sure output levels don't clip. If needed, trim with a gain plugin before or after the compressor. Save a preset once you've locked a sound, because consistency speeds future sessions. If you encounter pumping or the compressor seems inactive, check sidechain routing, plugin order, and input gain staging. These are common causes and usually resolve the issue quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.